Hey, good morning, it's Mark. I often kidding on the square, that the reason that I stayed in school is that I failed making change at McDonald's. It's true that this was before cash registers that told you how much change to give. I wasn't very good at making change. Now, there's probably other reasons that I stayed in school, but math was not my strong suit. But over the years, I've become a lot better at it, a lot better at questioning the thinking that goes behind the numbers, because it's very simple to throw some numbers on the page, whether it's in a digital page or a physical page, and wow people with them. A case in point, I'm looking at a deal right now whereby someone, not my client, is looking for investment money for a new venture, a venture that in essence is being pulled out of an existing business, an existing large business, a business that those sponsoring the new venture don't run, probably don't have access to the actual numbers, but have, based on what they've put on a piece of paper, are claiming a significant pre-money. In other words, before this round of financing valuation. On a business that doesn't exist. So, what's behind that? What supports those numbers? Are they simply made up? Yes, they are. But if you don't ask the questions, if you simply believe the numbers, if you're, just good at making change, then the only one who's getting shortchanged is you. So question numbers. They're not facts. They're very often, especially in the deal-making world, just statements of opinion.